Today, I am cooking gari and beans with fried plantain, aka gob3, or as I like to call it, le gob3. Heat the palm oil and add in sliced onions, blended chili with onion, as well as blended fresh tomatoes. Season with some mixed herbs and spices and let it simmer and stew up. Now add in boiled beans, add salt to taste, cover and let it cook away. Peel the plantains, cut into two and wash in salted water. Heat up some oil in a deep fryer and drop in the plantains to fry. Now season your grouper fish fillet with salt, mixed herbs, black pepper, and spices to taste. Rub on all sizes to make sure the taste spreads evenly through the fish. Collect the fried plantains into a paper towel to absorb some of the oil away. Now add a slice of butter to a heated pan and add some crushed garlic. Add the fillet, let it cook thoroughly on both sides, and add some lemon juice for that zesty flavor. Put the plantain on a parchment paper and flatten the fried plantain gently. Mix some bean stew with a little gari in a bowl till the gari softens. Spread the mixture onto the flattened plantain. Add in the fish and drizzle with some garlic lemon butter. Now serve and enjoy. Add the rough.